Assignment 4-1. We're going to be working with tables on this one. Okay, working with tables are directions. I've already created my document 4-1, named it. Come back to 4-1. We do have some text to copy and paste. I'm going to select top left to bottom right. Right click and copy. Come over to 4-1, right click and paste. Okay, so what we're going to do first, let's get going with market share. I'm going to center, clicking on center line. I'm going to apply the title style. Select the second line from Wikipedia, the free encyclopedia. Center line, clicking the center line button. And coming back to our styles, I'm going to apply the subtitle style. I'm going to click after the sentence, "The world's most popular search engines are," and hit enter. We're going to be putting a table in there. That just gives us some room. Okay, I'm going to table, and I'm going to insert a table. Notice this box pops up. Some light blue squares and some grayed out squares. Where I click on the last square will give me the columns and rows of my table. So the table that I want is going to be 2 by 7. So I'm going to come down to where it reads 2 by 7 and click on that last bottom right square. Use undo if it doesn't work out the first time for you. And try again as needed. If you want to, we have an extra space here. We can click here, hit backspace, kind of tighten that up a little bit. Alright, first step, I'm going to do a cut and paste. I'm going to select search engine. We've been doing copy and paste, but this actually moves the text. So I select search engine and I do the keyboard shortcut Control+X. Click in the first cell or the first column, first row. Keyboard shortcut Control+V. So I've taken it, cut it, and pasted it into this first cell. The search engine. Now I'm going to do the same with market share in June 2014. I'm going to use the keyboard shortcut Control+X. Paste. Control+V keyboard shortcut. I'm going to select now Google, put it in the second row, right below search engine, Control+X, click right below search engine, Control+V. Now the percentage, select, Control+X, Control+V, and I'm going to repeat this. Notice I'm going to just click and use delete, get rid of some extra spaces, bring this text up a little bit. I'm going to select Baidu, Control+X, Control+V, and repeat with the percentage, Control+X, Control+V. Select Yahoo. Another way to do it is you can use the right-click menu and cut. Click where you want to put it and paste it in. I find the keyboard shortcuts a little quicker. Control+X, click where you want to put it, Control+V. Control+X with Bing. I've selected it, Control+X, Control+V to paste it in. Control+X with a percentage. Control+V to paste it in. Control+X with Excite. Control+V to paste it in. And I'll use the right-click menu for the remainder of these. Select Ask, right click, cut, and right click, paste, and select the last percentage. Right click, cut, right click, paste. Okay, now I've got my table. Let's format our table. So I'm going to select the top rows, just the top row with search engine market share in June 2014. I'm going to right click there and I'm going to go to table properties. I'm going to change my table border. I'm going to make it orange. Change the table border point size, or the border width, to 3 points. And then my cell background color, I'm going to change this to a dark blue. Notice there's lots of other things you can do in here. As this is an introductory course, we're just showing the basics. Click OK. Okay, now for this top row, a little hard to read, so I'm going to select it again. And I'm going to change the text color of the text. Hitting the down arrow, make sure it's on text. And then the white, notice the white disappears. So the last on your right color, top row, I click on that, and we now have white text in the top row. Okay, check against the key, and you're all done with 4-1.